Friends, let me tell you a story. Back in 2009, when I was leaving the university after our degree program, we did the usual, the regular yearbook for the graduating student. This particular one in my hand was for the Muslim Student Association of my department. Herein we're asked, what is your favorite quote? More like your philosophy. While a bunch of my colleagues back then went about quoting Mr. A or Mr. B, and some left theirs blank, I deviated a little from the pack. My own favorite quote was my personal quote. Ask me what the quote was. The quote is, and I say is because it's timeless: start up as someone and grow up to be someone. I'll be completely honest with you. When I wrote this quote, I had no goals, no clear plan, and zero idea of the steps I need to take to become anyone at all in life. I was as confused as any young man in similar shoes, transiting from a student life to a more involved and self-sustaining stage of life. Or I just say, like any young man trying to find purpose in life. The only thing I know too well back then, which was the basis of the quote, was we're not going to straight out of the university and become the president of the country, or a top executive, any company, or a sought out professional, or start counting millions and own houses everywhere in Banana Island. We were going to start up as someone we were, young, crude and inexperienced lad, and go to different phases of life, growing up to become someone of our desire, purpose and dream. So the lesson for you youngsters listening to me: don't get caught up in the illusion of wanting to hammer now, driving exotic car today, carrying iPhone 11 Pro Max, living in mansion or other dividend of life. See, let me tell you, life simply don't work that way. Before you get to the point you guys are today in life or academics, it takes process. Every human being, including you and myself, and every other person, went through what we call a pre-birth phase. 9 whole months in pregnancy. It's a process. No one gets birth the day they were conceived. You don't sit, crawl, talk, or walk until certain processes and time passed. You don't start preschool today and on the same day graduating, receiving your bachelor degree in accounting or MBBS in medicine or engineering or any profession whatsoever. See, my friend, there's a world of gap between the someone you are today and the someone you want to become. The shortest cut is to grow through your true someones. Note, I said the shortest cut. You will have to throw in your entire self to the process that will take you from who you are today to who you want to become. And mind you, it will cost you time, patience, sacrifice, but most of all, resilience to stay true to your course no matter the clogs on the way. You will be that which fulfills you and desire to become if you give yourself to the process and stay committed. You will be that you want to become. But my dear, it's only at the price of your resilience and commitment, no matter what. An important lesson for transiting phases of life: please share with other youngsters and parents to share with their words. I'm Abdulrazak Osholale. Talk again soon. Thank you.